The perfect combination of rustic chic and modern functionality in one power-packed student accommodation at Royal Village Gainesville. Choose from elegant 3- and 4-bedroom apartments, decked with luxe leather-style furniture and cozy full-size beds for post-lecture snoozes, steps away from your ideal study nook. Whip up delicious meals in the fully equipped kitchen, then enjoy them in style in the dining area. Smash intense workouts at the fitness center, open 24/7, or dive into either of the sparkling pools for a splash. Unwind on the poolside cabanas, or enjoy yummy food with professional BBQ grills. There's bike storage and parking available, so your wheels have a home too. When electricity, internet, and trash are all included in your rent, there are no surprise bills ever. There's more. The University of Florida is just a short drive away, so your timely arrival to class is inevitable. Explore the city effortlessly with buses from Oxford Terrace Apartments and Parkside 2 apartment stops. So, hurry and secure your spot at Royal Village Gainesville today via amberstudent.com.